In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive, your complete guide for 2025. To begin this process, you'll first need to log into your Microsoft account. This step is crucial as OneDrive is a part of the suite of applications offered by Microsoft. So, head over to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll have full access to all the features that Microsoft provides, including OneDrive, which will be our focus. The next step is to locate the Apps Launcher. This simple tool offers quick access to all the Microsoft applications available to you, including OneDrive. Typically, you can find it in the upper left corner of your screen, represented by an icon that looks like a grid or waffle. Once you see it, go ahead and give it a click. Now, from the list of applications that appear, find and select OneDrive. Clicking on it will open up your OneDrive homepage, which is your hub for all stored files and folders. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a moment to load, so a little patience might be necessary. Once you're inside OneDrive, navigate over to the My Files section. This is your main storage area where all your content resides, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Getting a good handle on this will make managing your files a more intuitive experience as you continue to use OneDrive. Now that you're in the right place, you should see a list of all your files. Browse through them and locate the specific file or folder you want to share. It could be anything, a work document you're collaborating on, or even some cherished vacation photos. With your file or folder in sight, it's time to take action. You'll want to right-click on the chosen file or folder to bring up a context menu and then select Share. By doing this, a variety of sharing options will become available to you. You'll be able to decide exactly how you'd like to share your content. One of the main options presented is to enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share your files with. Simply type in their email addresses, and OneDrive will handle the rest, ensuring your files are safely sent to the intended recipients. Once you've entered all the necessary email addresses, click Send. This action sends a direct invitation to the recipients, allowing them immediate access to your files as long as they have the correct permissions. Alternatively, if you find email isn't suitable for all situations, you can click on Copy Link. This generates a shareable link that can be easily sent via email, text, or any other method of communication that you prefer. It's a flexible option perfect for varying circumstances. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your files on OneDrive. Whether you chose to send an email invitation or generate a link, your content is now accessible to those you trust. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll become an expert file sharer on OneDrive in no time.